Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Road to Empress 2 game crashing or not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen, not working, or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first method is to restart our PC. This is an important step, so don't miss it out. Simply click on the Windows icon, click on power, and then select restart. This will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam. I'm showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on under general. Here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8, and after that hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the problem yet, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, then click on change settings. After that, search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding the game to the list, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Finally launch the game and check. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check whether the game is launching or not. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics cards. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA named users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to update Windows. So make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update, click on check for updates, wait for some time. If there is any update available, update your Windows to latest version, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Below from here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. So just click on repair and then click on yes, wait for some time. Once this is finished, you have to click on close, and after that restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check whether the game is launching or not. If not, next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Now under background process tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select them, and after selecting them, you have to right click on it, then click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam, log into it, and finally reinstall Road to Empress 2 game, and then click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or opening or not. So these are few solutions that will surely help to resolve Road to Empress 2 game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, black screen not working, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.